So, welcome Tarveen on our MYB channel. And please tell us about yourself and about your, dream venture, Personify.
All right. First of all, I really want to thank you so much for inviting me to make you brand. It's a great opportunity because something which I completely resonate is branding, whether it's individual branding or business branding. And I would love to, be a part of a platform which encourages people to know themselves as a brand and represent themselves much positively and strongly. So about myself, just to, if I would have to describe myself, I would um, actually say that I'm an extremely optimistic and a self-driven individual. And professionally, I am a internationally qualified and recognized image etiquette and brand communication expert, along with I have from the American board the NLP practitioners certification, which I use as a very strong technique in what I do. In 2015, we started Personify, and Personify is a global image, etiquette, soft skill training, and personal branding academy. What we do over here is help people to project the right image about themselves. And over the years, with my training, I have been able to impact through Personify almost 8,000 people's life, individuals' life. The value which, both personally and professionally, I would say that have been instilled throughout my journey that I embrace is, um, simply be humble, be happy, spread happiness, respect the divinity, and inspire others with your work.
So, what is the motivation behind this kind of, venture or your this profession? How you started? What is the motivation behind it?
Well, to be honest, there are a lot of things that motivate me. Being a very explorer by nature, I'm always looking for that next best opportunity and how and if I can bring it to my work and use it. So there have been many factors that have contributed, and the biggest I would say is the blessing, or to there's nothing no bigger gift than having the gift of doing something what you love doing. And that is what happens in exactly what Personify came into, an embodiment of being something that provides a huge array of services for individuals, for organizations, for people from all walks of life, uh, to project a winning image, to create that powerful first impression. We all want to be successful in life, but that certificate of success, it really depends on others. And if we are not able to project who we are, the authentic self, then we leave a poor impact, and that affects in any aspect of your life. And this is what I saw over the years, to different aspects of my personal growth, my professional growth, through my learning, travel, reading, that all of us, that we need to carve that niche, and project that who we are, what do we exactly stand for and resonate for. And this is where the whole idea of, image branding came into it, because a lot of time people look at image as something, as an outside factor, like something that has to need only a outer transformation. So when I started image consultancy, even in India, it was a very new term, though it's been in the West for over 45 years. But in India, we always had public speaking classes when I was growing up, personality development, grooming. But what is image management? So everybody thought, okay, image makeover means I'll go inside with something and come out like another person, another personality. It is like a cosmetic surgery or something. No, it's not that, because image is a inside out transformation. Till you do not believe in yourself, that you do not know who you are, you cannot understand what you want in life, you can never reach that goal. You'll always be in circle, taking maybe one step forward, then back, or maybe you feel like stagnant at a position. So I would say that, everything that in detailings of things I've seen in life, people, and seen myself also evolving in different areas and aspect of life. And I realized how, if you can project a right image of who you are, knowing that who you are, you think who you are, not what your parent or your spouse or your friend or your colleagues or your certifications or your degrees and trophy tell you, but you in your mind tell you who you are. If you're able to keep that constantly in everything that you do, the way you sit, you eat, you drink, you dress, that is going to automatically leave a strong impact and influence. And this is what I have enjoyed during my whole these 8 years of working into the field of image consultancy, and connecting with people from all walks of life, is that it's not just I'm stuck as it into a classrooms. My training goes beyond that dimension of a classroom. Sometimes you're a mentor, sometimes you're a confidant, sometimes you're a friend. And then when you see that evolution happening, when you see that transformation happening, it is very gratifying. So the gratification which I get to see that final visible transformational results in individual is what makes me happy and motivates me to continue to do this what I'm doing.
Yeah, great, great. Now, tell me about your USPs. Why customers contact you and want your guidance or support to transform their image?
Uh, yes. So, like I said, under Personify, we have array of services, whether you're, starting from age group from 6 years to 60 years, we have catered all kind of clients from all walks of life. I would say the biggest USP is that, when we are working, each of our training program has that personalized approach. It is custom trained in a professional manner to bring it to the individual. So that personal impact that everybody gets. So it is not, we don't believe in one size fits all. So it is not that, okay, let's have a group program, put everybody from different dimensions and put it over there and tell them. And that is the outer transformation. That program can be also done, but that's not what we look at. When we do image management, again, we focus from inside out. So we create a lot of personalized approach. We equip all our trainees and participants who are there in the way of their thinking, their action, their behavior, their mindsets, and then connecting the dots through the training program to bring out some significant and sustained results. Because I always feel a lot of time what happens when people are looking into programs which are for self-development, for personal growth, for their business growth and success, they're very motivated, inspired, they get very happy what you shared with them, and they feel अब तो यही जाके करना है, this is what I'm going to do, this is what I'm missing. And simple thing, even if it is like about a goal of waking up early, or setting a target of walking extra few minutes a day, but then that fizzles out the minute we go back to our life. So that I always feel our sessions, our program is not a massage therapy ki that time you do it and you feel all good, and then when you get out and you feel, oh, the pain and aches have come back. And that has been one of our greatest USP. And the reason the customers, I think, come back is the whole idea which I learned over the period of time is knowledge is easily available. We are one click away from anything. In any language I want to know something, I will get the answer of it. Any cuisine from any country also, I want one click and I'll get the whole recipe of it. So that knowledge is available to everyone. We all can have the recipe of how to dress, how to eat, how to speak, how to present yourself. But why are we still not being able to do when we are put in that situation? Why can't we all ace that interview? Why can't we all win that pageant? Why can't we all be getting that promotion or success or appreciation or recognition even at our home from our peers or family? Why are we not being able to influence every conversation or win every negotiation deal we are doing? Is where the difference come, and this is where we fill in the gap. Is that knowledge is important, but knowledge without skill is futile. And this skill, which I call, is self-education. And this is something that has changed my life. I was able to get answers for things in my life, and when I realized that if I could do that for myself, change it for myself, why can I not learn this and empower people with that? So the need and desire, and joining it to bringing that success to them. What success could mean to you or to me could be different.